fourth day of the boat build. Let's get this thing finished. The hole's been cut out. And now all they're left to do is just to staple all this grass down. Alright, so I finished all of the carpeting on. It didn't take too long. I cut out the centerpiece. Works great. Goes back down great. Everything's stapled in. I need to clean up some stuff up there. And then I'm going to cut this excess off, and I'm going to put the ruler on, and that should be the last thing for the boat. So I finished this. I just need to trim that off real quick, and basically we're done with the boat. I'm not going to show that because my battery's almost dead. But make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe, turn on your noties and everything. Looking forward to bass fishing content this summer, so it'll be great. Yeah, so basically it's supposed to be good weather tomorrow for fishing. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and have a great day.